This tutorial will take you through the steps for making movies of 3D data. Here's our 3D data. We can scroll through each one of the individual Z stacks. To start with, we're going to make a Z translation. So go to the stack toolbar and open up animation options. Here we can change the speed in frames per second, the frame to start at and the frame to end, and a few other options. Once we've set that, we can go to File, Save as AVI, and save it as an uncompressed file format if you want to change it to something else, like an MPEG. You can change the frames per second to change how it plays. Now we'll do a 3D rotation or 3D projection. Again, under the stack menu, we can change the settings for projection method, the axis of rotation. Slice spacing is your Z step size, and we're going to untick interpolate here. I'll click OK. This will make a 3D rotation, which if I manually rotate around, you will find is missing information in the Z direction. So I'm going to do that step again. So stack, 3D projection, and this time we're going to select the interpolate button, and this will fill in these gaps. And by pressing play, you can see that we have a nice rotation around the y-axis of this sample. This can now be saved as an AVI, just like the previous steps.